Yo, what up, welcome back to the channel, y'all. I know it's been a minute. Yep, your boy cut his hair. Y'all already know what time it is, man. Alright, yeah, so here's what's going on. So for the past few days I've been having an issue where the car was slow crank. I'll put a video right here so y'all can see it. Alright, so y'all seen the video. That's what the car does. It will slow crank. Like, it will turn on eventually once the car cool down or whatever the case may be. It will turn on perfectly fine. Then after you drive it for a while, you turn the car off, you go turn the car back on, it would do what you saw in the video. Thought it was gonna be a problem right here. Changed both. That was not it, because this was getting pretty hot. So, you know, still, this one still get a little hot, but not that much. Thought that was the case, like a faulty ground or something like that. Check all the grounds, everything is good. Ended up getting, every time I crank it, we ended up getting the P0340, which is the camshaft sensor, the bank one. Changed that and changed the other one as well. Nothing. Well, went under there, clean all the crankshaft sensor. You know, I tried to crank it on without the crank sensor. It was slow crank, then it started cranking. That was it. So boom, came in here after I cleaned it up, put it back on. This is what I'm getting the click from the starter. I had a suspicion it would be the starter because, yeah, it's hot outside. But I had the suspicion it could be my starter because the car, I don't know, for whatever reason, it will sounds like pretty bad at times. Like it will want to crank, but the starter had enough power to turn the car on. Went down there, checked the starter. The power to the starter, the cable to the starter, it was kind of loose. So I'm guessing it was, you know, it was faulty power to it. So, or however you call it, I don't know how to call it, but yeah, like it wasn't, you know, the power wasn't making enough contact, strong contact to turn the car on at times, especially when the car was hot. So, go ahead and tighten it up yesterday. Still having the same problem. So now, what we're gonna do today, we're gonna figure out, see if that could fix it. So I'm gonna take the starter off, take it to the auto parts store. We're gonna test the starter. Hopefully it's a starter because I'm running out of options. I did everything, a whole bunch of stuff, and literally nothing has worked. All right, y'all, for those, if you ever want to take the starter off, there's literally only 2 bolts, which is one up here on my finger at, and another one down here. That's the only 2 things holding the starter. So it's a pretty easy job. So let me go ahead and take this out, and then all right, y'all, so I took the starter out. I'm finna show you what the hell's going on with my starter. It looks like that might be the issue. So I'm on the way to the auto parts store. I'm gonna get it tested either way just in case, but I'm gonna show you what's going on with it. It's really bad. So it looks bad to me. I'm not sure, I mean, but it looked like it was touching the ground, whatever. Something was touching. So it's some burnt spot on it. So I mean, at this point, I hope that's the issue. Hopefully it is. So, because I need my car. Like I said, I know I said it a million times, but I will say it another million times. So let me go and get to the store. Once I get to the store, I'm gonna show you the starter, and we're gonna figure out. We're gonna see what's up. All right, y'all. So I'm over here. Let me go ahead and show y'all my starter. Look at this. This is what I was saying. This looked pretty young to me. Like it looked like it was touching right here. So that could have been making a false contact or whatever the case may be. So like I said, I'm guessing that's where the issue is at. So we're gonna go ahead and get it tested either way. Hopefully it don't burn nobody up in there. So, and then yeah, most likely we're gonna have to get a new one apparently. I don't know where's this from. It looked like it was from the York or something. So we're gonna go up in there.
Fue como humo, ¿no?
Sí, tiró humo por aquí adelante. Yo creo que fue por el ground.
Ah, ¿tú sabes qué?
Sí. ¿O será porque esto está chocando, está tirando ahí, verdad?
Sí, porque esto forma parte del positivo, también.
Entonces, ese sería el problema, ¿verdad?
Sí, realmente. Que no fue alguna vez, no. Está saliendo bien. Lo único que me preocupa a mí es esto aquí.
Eso ahí, ¿verdad?
Sí, porque esto forma parte del positivo. Si está chocando ahí y está expuesto,
Puede ser que
ahí,
está haciendo ground lo mismo, y entonces será por eso, ¿verdad? Entonces, ¿qué sí? ¿Sería mejor cambiarlo o...? Eso es eléctrico, ¿verdad?
Sí, sí. Eso te puede fundir hasta un montón de fusiles por ahí para abajo.
Sí.
Mira, él salió bien, yo creo que lo único es eso.
Eso ahí, porque eso es lo único que está, ¿verdad?
Exacto. Pero él salió bien.
Pues cuando él choca y estoy prendiendo el carro, lo que hace es un slow crank, como que no.
Slow.
Sí, es super slow.
Quizás porque estaba pegando ahí, por eso.
Sí. Yeah, tested out good, but you know, whatever's going on over there, it looked toasted, so I'm just gonna go ahead and change it. And yep, look how much that joint is. It's a whole bunch of money. Hopefully, I don't have to pay that much. You know, I'm gonna leave this one for the court. I don't care about it no more. It's just giving me too much trouble. I'm pissed. So, yep. But I'm gonna go ahead and get a new one, and man, just call it a day, honestly. So, yeah, it's about to be expensive fix, but hey, not that expensive, but it is enough. I mean, I don't want nothing else to messed up, and that's probably the reason why my positive battery thing has been getting super hot, like literally hot to the point that it was melting the what's his name, the terminals. It was actually burning my terminal. It did it twice, so hopefully that was the issue, and hopefully that's fixed once I get a new one, because y'all saw that it was working perfectly fine as soon as I removed, because I actually pulled it out. You know, I moved it away from the body of the starter. So oh yeah, we made it to the house. This is the new one. Mine had the one coming out on the side. I guess they had it just so it can so it won't be easier to put the ground right there. So see how this is supposed to be right here? Yeah, mine was a little higher than it should be, and it was a little bit all over the place. So, and it looked burnt, like completely burnt compared to these. So hopefully we don't have any issues with this one. It's not take, it was brand new. I don't know if this is refurbished or whatnot, but whatever. We got it. Made it to the crib. Finna go ahead and put it on. All right, y'all. Starter is in. Now let's see what's popping. I already connected the battery. Moment of truth. One. Let's fucking go, man. Hey, it's like I already know it. I already turned it on before I recorded it. But man, that seems to be the issue. Car's cranking up right away. I cranked it a few times. Whew. Sorry about that. Allergies, man. But Jesus, thank you. Alright, so you know, cable don't seem to be getting hotter now like that. So hopefully that fixes the problem. I'm gonna go ahead, put everything up, head home, and I'm gonna turn it off over there, and we shall see. We shall see, y'all. We shall see if it's, you know, if that's it. Hopefully that's it, and yeah, should be good. So if y'all enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Y'all already know what could be. Always check your starter. You know, even though it was throwing me cam sensors, I went and replaced them anyway, but that did not fix the issue. So maybe my starter messed on my cam sensor. Maybe that's possible. So if y'all enjoyed it, man, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, man. Your boys come with the bangers. Car is finally fixed. Seems to be running pretty good. Soon we're gonna move on to do everything else we got going on. Got to clean the engine. I'm actually gonna go through all the wire, make sure there's no short or nothing, just in case. But it seems to be good, y'all. So I'm gonna see you on the next one, man. Check out your boy.